Christmas is coming, so it's time to deck the halls. But what condition are your Christmas decorations in? Perhaps some are showing signs of wear and tear. Maybe you need to eliminate some embellishments and declutter your decorations. I'm the Clutter Expert, and in this video we're looking at decluttering decorations that are past their best, and how to avoid buying decorations that might turn into clutter. But first, if you've been enjoying my clutter videos, please consider subscribing to the channel. And remember to ring the notify bell, because that way you'll be told as soon as new videos are published. And if you have a question, please leave a comment. Terminate the tinsel. Festive decorations. We only get them out once a year, and usually under some great stress. So it's not unusual for our Christmas decorations to be in need of a bit of tender loving care. Every year we succumb to the glittering lure of new and shiny doodads to hang upon the Christmas tree. Every year we find ourselves buying new sets of twinkling lights to festoon our windows and even our gardens. But do we ever go through our mass of old decorations in the cold light of day? Disreputable decorations. If you did an audit, you might get an unpleasant surprise. Tatty tinsel, pitiful paper chains, broken baubles, and wretched wreaths. Are too many of your decorations defunct? I'm not suggesting you go on a wild spending spree to buy even more. Just declutter your collection of the dilapidated, squalid, and threadbare ornaments. Once you've binned your balding tinsel and your battered baubles, you can take a fresh look at what's left. You will have a smaller quantity, but the quality will be much higher. And you will have freed up precious space in your home. Blackpool Illuminations. Nothing looks more cluttered than too many Christmas decorations. Go for a less is more approach this year, and be sparing with your garnishes. Don't get a giant Christmas tree if you have a tiny room, or it will loom over you for the entire holiday and get in everyone's way. Lights can look pretty, but don't get carried away or you will end up with an approximation of the Blackpool Illuminations. The Christmas season tends to introduce a lot of clutter into your home anyway. In the form of gift shopping, rolls of wrapping paper, piles of cards to be written and posted, and all those bizarre items your children bring home from school at this time of year. Keep it simple. By decking your halls with too many decorations, you will be adding to the cluttered appearance of your abode. Clutter is always a source of stress, and by the time your home fills with people at Christmas, you may be feeling anxious and overwhelmed. Be sparing with your Christmas festooning, and your rooms will look less cluttered. Your home will have a more peaceful vibe, and you will feel less swamped by your festive activities. It's time to terminate your tattered tinsel, because life is what happens to you when you declutter.